B. Explain 2 ways in which fraudulent financial reporting might be carried out in an organization. Ways in which fraudulent financial reporting may be carried out in an organization. That's the question. What is fraudulent financial reporting? Now, fraudulent financial reporting involves intentional misstatements, including omissions of amounts or disclosures in financial statements to deceive the financial statements users. It's a deliberate move to deceive the users of financial statements. And it can be accomplished in various ways. Candidates were to identify 2 ways in which fraudulent reporting might be carried out in an organization. The first way is manipulation or falsification. Deliberate manipulation or falsification, including forgery, manipulation, falsification, including forgery or alteration of accounting information. Manipulation, falsification, forgery, or alteration of accounting information or records or supporting documents, accounting supported from which the financial statements are prepared. Because financial statements are totals of assets, totals of liabilities, totals of equity, interest, and so on. The totals are put together based on accounting information and records, based on source documents, and so on. So the manipulation, falsification, forgery, or alteration of accounting records or documents can amount to fraudulent financial reporting. That's one way in which fraudulent financial reporting can be perpetrated. That's one way. The second way is through misrepresentation or misrepresentation or deliberate or intentional omission. Misrepresentation or intentional omission from the financial statements of events or transactions or other significant information. Omission. When information is omitted deliberately, then that can be a way in which fraudulent financial reporting may be carried out in an organization. Intentional misapplication of accounting principles. Intentional misapplication of accounting principles relating to amounts, relating to classification, relating to the manner of presentation or relating to disclosure. That can amount to fraudulent financial reporting. So these are 3 ways. Candidates were to give 2 ways. 1, 2, 3. Any 2 will earn the how many marks? 4 marks. Any 2 ways here will earn 4 marks.